Yeah, I've just seen the title in the thumbnail, and there's a reason why this recipe floating around the internet, because it's delicious. I'm gonna show you guys how to make Big Mac smash burger tacos. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen. Let's go. Let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. We have our ground beef back here, some shredded lettuce, onions, some vegetable oil, some sweet relish here, adobo seasoning and black pepper. We have 5 slices of American cheese. We have paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, sugar, some white vinegar, some pickles, minced garlic, mustard, ketchup, mayo, and we have our flour tortillas here. So let's get started. So we're gonna start off by seasoning our beef. So I'm gonna add our adobo seasoning and black pepper here, along with our minced garlic. And I'm gonna go in with my hands and I'm just gonna get this mixed up. All right, looks like we're good. Let's continue. All right, so let's start preparing our Big Mac sauce. We're gonna add our ketchup here, our mayo, our sweet relish, our mustard, vinegar, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and sugar. And now we're gonna go in here with a good mix. Guys, look at that. It's that Big Mac sauce. All right, let's continue. As you can see right here, I've taken our ground beef and I took like 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup and I formed these balls like this. So I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. We're gonna take up one of these beef balls here. All we're gonna do is we're gonna take a tortilla, place it on top, press down on it, and we're gonna try to press enough to allow it to spread on the sides. Pick it up, flip it over, and you want to finish spreading it close to the edges. You don't have to be all the way on the edges, but pretty close to the edges. Kind of like that. That's perfect. See that? So we're gonna do the rest of these like that, and we're gonna come right back, all right? All right, guys, this is what we have. Take a look at that. That is perfect. And me being me, I'm just going to sprinkle a little seasoned salt over the top of our meat. You don't have to do this since you've already seasoned your meat, but I like to add a little of that seasoned salt on top. All right, now we're gonna head over to our cooktop and start preparing our Big Mac tacos, all right? Now we're gonna heat up a 1/2 teaspoon of that vegetable oil over medium-high heat. And once your oil comes up to temperature, you're gonna take your flour tortilla like this and you're gonna place it meat side down. Get you a presser or a spatula and you're gonna press down like that. You're gonna keep it pressed, let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until the ground beef is brown. All right, guys, now we're gonna flip this baby over. Take a look at that. We're gonna add a slice of cheese. Let it sit there until it melts. Should take a little bit less than a minute. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and remove it. And I'm going to sit this here on a rack right here, stick them in a warmer, and then once we get them all prepared, we're gonna come right back, all right? All right, guys, we're finishing up our last one. We're just gonna add it right here, and we're gonna move over to our cutting board so we can start adding our condiments. Guys, and there you have it. Big Mac smashed tacos. Guys, let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control so we can taste them out. I'm ready to, man. Let's go. All right, guys, we back in here. Quality control. Let's bring this smashed out to the front of the congregation, guys. Look at that. Oh, buddy. Let's go ahead and get this baby a taste test. Oh, man. Big Macs will never be the same again. Listen, guys, this is easy, simple, quick to prepare, quick to make, and who doesn't like McDonald's? Guys, definitely check it out. And until then, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything, and remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot, and now I'm out. Peace. Oh, man.